From the start, when we heard about there's this space that we're going to set up for the kids, that was my initial thought, like, man, our kids are so lucky to have this. And then to actually see the kids in the space, you know, doing everything from picking up the designs to creating, I was just blown away. But then also remembering this is their play area, they're familiar with this, and just seeing them pick it up faster than us, I knew straight away that we've got a good group moving forward and they're going to lead the space.
The fact that it was something that the boys just embraced immediately, and was just like, this is pretty much what we're into.
I was really excited just thinking about what it meant for our students, and you know, that curiosity, the entrepreneurship, that's all part of the new curriculum. I can see, yeah, like great possibilities, not just for our students, but for our community as well.
It was pretty natural, just quite enjoyable and engaging for them, the way they approached and the workshops and everything. They were head down, into it, serious, engaged, and just focused. Very, very stoked for them.
When I entered the classroom, I was just inspired to see that children were making their own projects instead of copying others.
3D printing makes school exciting because you can use your creativity when making stuff. You have the freedom to do that, which you don't get in other subjects. It makes it more fun.
I'm very confident that they're going to be very engaged in this.
Today, listening to the boys talk about what they've learned, their aspirations, I was like, wow.
Seeing their headspace and seeing what they were capable of and then testing it, like, that's pretty cool.